I've deeply come to appreciate the gift of YouTube. It's a gift that keeps giving because explain to me how I had a situation that I was given an automation task and I was wondering how I could go about it. And I was like, let me go back to YouTube and find a similar project done by somebody else and attempt it. Color me shock when I could barely see any reference I could use for my project. The one project or the one YouTube video I eventually saw could not even do justice to what I wanted, but it gave me an insight and I had to figure out a lot of the task on my own eventually. And that is why ChatGPT and YouTube are the baddest combo you can ever have. It took me about a week or so to troubleshoot and come around figuring how to do this task. And I was just wondering, what could have happened that there is barely any reference to this project on YouTube. So then it dawned on me that creators who have been creating YouTube videos on YouTube have been doing an absolute great job, and I do not take all their resources for granted. And me, I always love to pay things forward. I've been creating a couple of YouTube videos, demo videos across zapier, and Airtable. But this time I'm creating, or I have created rather, because the video is already up on YouTube by the time you'll be seeing this video. I have created a video on how to replicate Trello in Airtable. Hear me out. You most likely would have said, is it not Kanban view? What's the big deal there? That was the same thing I said, where it's beyond just Kanban view, especially when you have to deal with checklists. So I took out my time, drafted out similar records to that of the clients because I was looking not to make the client's record out there to the public or give a hint of what the client's project is. So I came up with dummy projects that are similar to that of what the client wanted. And I said that I should create a video on it. So I've created a YouTube video on it. So my fellow freelancers, my fellow automation workflow experts, if it's something that will be of interest to you, head over to my YouTube channel and watch it. I'll be dropping the link to the video somewhere in this video for you to watch. And as always, when you watch it, I'll appreciate your feedback. Your feedback goes a long way to help me become a better person in creating my content. Thank you, and do take care.